Coming up in this video. Welcome to another one of our camping videos. This weekend we have some extra time, so we make our way further inland. We will pass through many towns and cities within British Columbia. It's a beautiful drive with lots to see. We hope to get a good campsite on a lake near Kamloops. If you haven't gotten a chance to explore this part of Canada, we highly recommend it. From Vancouver, we have about a 4-hour drive to our weekend destination. There's so many mountains and lakes to see, the drive flies by and is almost as fun as the camping part. It's the end of May, but we have a heavy snowfall warning on the Coquihalla Highway today. Luckily, we missed the snow. If you haven't driven here, you may recognize this route from the popular TV show Highway Through Hell. It's known for extreme weather conditions. In no time at all, we are off the paved roads for the final leg of our journey. There's a few partiers in the spot we wanted, but luckily they move on without giving us too much trouble. But this won't be the last we see of them. Time to quickly get our home set up for the weekend. It's May long weekend here in Canada, which usually takes place near the end of the month. It's unofficially the start of the summer for us usually, so getting hail and snow was a little bit unexpected. Dave showed up to this campsite in shorts and a t-shirt and quickly had to change into his winter clothing. We get a break in the weather finally. Time to enjoy the lake. Then this happens again. It would hail on and off about 10 times before stopping for good, which is when we decide to get the fire and dinner going. Tonight is pizza night. We are camping for the second time with our Uni pizza oven. Dave starts getting all of the ingredients together and rolling out the dough. We have the Unicoda 16 gas-heated pizza oven. It's the larger version and can fit pizzas up to 16 inches. We start with tomato sauce for the base. Then add chorizo sausage, black olives, and ricotta cheese. Then chili flakes and Italian seasoning. We top it off with Parmesan cheese. In the oven it goes for about 2 minutes or so. After another great meal, we enjoy the sunset before heading off to bed. Few things in the world are better than having a cup of coffee in the morning while camping. As you know, it's always the first thing we do when we wake up. For breakfast today, we are having a gourmet dish popular in my home country, beans on toast. Time to eat. In the afternoon, we do our physical activity for the day, bocce. After that, time for a quick snack before we get the fire going. It's a bit warmer today, but we've still been looking forward to warming up. We've settled in now. Let's take a quick tour of our campsite. And just like that, it's time for dinner. Today we wanted to try something a little different with our pizza oven. We've decided to have nachos. We bought a non-stick pan that would fit nicely in the oven. First we add the chicken that we just cooked, then black olives, salsa, and of course cheese. I do my part by adding the last of the cheese before it goes into the oven. After dinner, campfire, bed, you know the routine. Unfortunately, through the night, we did have some heavy rainfall. One of the challenges with the rooftop tents is that you can't put them away wet for extended periods. Where we live, we don't have a great spot to dry it out when it gets wet, so we have to do our best to get it dried out at camp before we leave. The method we use to quickly dry the tent is by placing a small propane heater in the tent paired with a portable fan to circulate the heat. It's very effective and we can usually completely dry the tent in about an hour, which gives us a bit more time to enjoy our surroundings. Now that the tent is dry, it's time to pack up and make our way back to the coast. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and consider subscribing so you don't miss any of our next adventures. See you next weekend!